Hi my amazing planner people, it's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my subscription from Sadie stickers. This is the February 2022 subscription. I have already opened this. I had some technical difficulties with my camera, so I have already seen what is in here and was able to flip things around so that I could show you this side. So if you don't want to see what February's kit looks like, go ahead and click off. You can come back later, whatever. But this is her new sticker subscription that just came out. Last month I did go over all of the pricing details of this kit, so I'm going to go ahead and link that video up above if you want to see the breakdown of cost and savings and all of that. And I'll just give you a couple of little things here. This is a $25 subscription plus shipping. I want to say that shipping was under $5, so under $30 total. And then you get charged on the 15th of each month, and the kit ships out no later than the 5th of the month. Today is the 8th. I got this yesterday in my mail, so it came on the 7th. Besides that, the art in the kit is exclusive. I think it's a 4-page kit, plus a deco sheet and a journaling sheet. So it's a really nice subscription. Like I said, for all the pricing options, just go ahead and see that other video. The other thing I'm going to tell you guys, so if you want to see a sneak peek of what the kit is going to be before she releases it out, you can go to her webpage. Hold on, let me pull it up and I'll show you. So I'm just going to go, I'm going to show you how to get there. So hold on, is it showing up well? I don't think it's showing up so well. But you go to her page. This is just on my phone. So I'll go to menu, I'll go to subscription. And then down here you go to the monthly subscription one. And you arrow down. And the second one is going to show you what this month's vision board is. I'm going to go ahead and insert an image of this here so you guys can see it. So she shows us that there's like maybe a cafe theme, you have these specific florals, you have a color palette, maybe what some of the deco might be, that kind of thing, which is really, really nice. So you can judge whether or not it's a kit you're going to be interested in. You can order these kits until the 25th of the month. On the 26th, it will be the coming month. I think that's all the info you need, so let's get into this one. So here is our beautiful, beautiful kit. And as you can see, like here is that deco that she showcased on the side. You have the cafe that she showed. You have the florals and definitely the color palette. She even had this quote on that vision board, which was really nice. It says, "How beautiful change can be." And I don't know, I really like this. I especially like the teapot because I'm a big tea person. So there are full boxes. Oh, this is a little out of order. Sorry. That is the floral page. We can look at the floral page. It doesn't really matter, right? So these are all those florals. Of course, they match these florals. It is in silver foil this month, which is really nice. Usually her kits are either rose gold or gold. So it's nice to see something a little different. I also like on her floral page here that we have bigger pieces of floral that you can easily cut down. You also have some smaller bunches as well as individual flowers, so you can really do a lot with layering and that kind of thing. So I'm really sorry this is out of order. And then here is your, what would normally be the last page of your kit. So you have your days of the week here, you have your washi strips, and look at how beautiful this one is with just the simple little dots. And I know somebody did this for a $2 Tuesday. It was like a trim. And if I see it again, I'm going to pick it up because it would be amazing to be able to kind of outline this with either that trim or a similar trim. And I think it would be really pretty. Besides that, you do have these scalloped headers. Now these I've used in conjunction with the days of the week box or this checklist box, and it makes a great header to put, you know, dinners on or whatever you're going to use that tracker for. And then we have a half box. This one looks smaller, so half, third, fourth, I think. Our next page in the kit, you have your headers obviously on this side, and I like the variety that you get. So you get the confetti type with the foil, you get the simple line, which is probably my favorite, as well as the floral here. So I think it fits just about anybody's different taste. Then you have, of course, your Monday through Sunday box and a checklist box. You have your habit trackers, you have 2 page flags, a variety of MIDI boxes, and I like that you have foil on some, but not all. You have floral on some, but not all. And like you even have this box here that has nothing, so you can pull in other things and make it your own. Down here we have some layering stuff. So we have page corners, we have circles, that little teardrop shape. We have arrows, all really nice. And of course we have our checklist down here. Our next page is our functional page. So we have the half circle scallops up here. So you have a plain one, you have one with floral and one with those silver bows. And then these are your half boxes. Then you have third boxes and fourth boxes. And each box is a little bit different. So this one has the indentations on the corners. This one's scalloped. This one's also scalloped. That one's just a normal box, so it gives you a good variety. And then you have the MIDI boxes and the squares as well. And then this is the last page in this kit, which is the journaling page. These are really popular right now. And so you have all of your deco over here. You have paint swatches at the top. You have these ones that remind me more of like washi tape. And then you also have some more decorative boxes here, more on this side that are more paint swatch type ones. I love the stamp feel, as well as this box is really nice. You have some more circles, you have the arches, and these boxes down here. And then you have the torn paper. These are smaller than the ones that I've used from her as far as the size of the torn paper, and I kind of think that's going to work better for a weekly. So that is everything that came in this month's kit. I absolutely adore it. I think it's going to be perfect for like early May. I'm thinking, you know, when the flowers are really starting to bloom and everything feels fresh and new and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there for more planning videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you